Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you the Xiaomi Yeelight smart lamp. Let's get started. Okay, here's the package with a very particular color. Here it is. Very beautiful. This is the instruction manual in English and several languages. Now let's try to install it. Okay, so let's turn it on. Have to open the Yeelight app and connect the lamp. We have to follow some steps here. Okay, now let's check if I can control the lamp from my Google Home Mini. Turn on the lights. Turn off the lights. Change light color to blue. That's pretty cool. That's all for now guys, thanks for watching. Also don't forget to like this video. See you the next time.